In primetime news this evening. Pain at the pumps. Energy Minister says controversial markup behind why petrol prices haven't declined as consumers expect. Discrimination continues to hamper local COVID-19 effort. And what about us? Blind persons complain that online platforms are excluding them. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, sports, weather, feedback. I know that I'm not reading it in order, but before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, we're asking, have you felt or detected any change in the environment since the COVID-19 crisis?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.